guys, Erwin Tech here, back with another video. Today we are going to look at how to speed up your old iPhone. And I have a 6. This will be probably for 5S, a little, around the 6 area. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Guys, we're here. And here's the first tip to make your phone faster. It's called an app called CPUX. It's right there, it's green. Click on that. So this has good stuff. So you can do memory, and you can see it says there's this thing that says clean up. Click that. And it says cleaning, and it'll clean up your memory of junk files and everything. And it released 161 megabytes. And then see, it keeps going up like a lot because I have a lot, and then you just keep cleaning it until it's around there. And you guys can mess up, do whatever you want for the rest of this. You can do speed test and everything. And yeah, let's get right into the next trick. So go into settings. Let's go into general. Let's see, go into accessibility. Reduce motion. Turn that on. So whenever you get in and out of apps, you see how that fades? So it's like fades like that. It makes your phone faster, better battery life. And the next tip is reduce transparency. Turn that on too. And here we go for the next trick. Make sure you back up your phone. Like you can go to general, iPhone storage, and it will say you can back up iPhone storage in there, plug it up to a computer, back it up, or have it plugged into an outlet, backs them up the file, makes it, more battery life and more memory, and it makes it faster because you don't have all those notifications, storage, and everything in your photos. Here's another thing. Delete photos you don't use, because then there's more storage. Like it's not always like processing. It'll be faster. And also you want to go CPUX. Make sure to download the app. You can go to the battery. But my trial is expired, so compass. You can use a compass. You can do that and calibrate it. You can do sensors again. You can mess with it, see how it change depending on where you move it. You can mess with anything in there and it will speed up your battery. Next, go into general. Make sure you're updated to the latest software, which I am for this old phone. Oh, well, no, I'm not. Alright, I'll do that later. Make sure to upload to the latest software. And you can background app refresh. It says preserve battery life. I have that on, but you should have that off if you want better battery life. And yeah, that'll be just about it. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more. and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.